call the painting Celebration. It's sexual and violent. I thought you might like it.
No.
Go.
Hide. You gotta hide.
No.
Yes.
They need to know about us. It's okay.
Hide. Please. You gotta hide. Not there. I'm not comfortable with that.
Let's play dummy sticks.
What's dummy sticks? I don't want to play dummy sticks. Get in the closet.
It's okay. I was where you were a year ago.
Get the fucking closet right now. You go get the closet. You go get the closet. Go.
I'll pop out at the right moment.
No, you will not. Everything okay in here? Thought I heard something. I was just having a bad dream. I know about bad dreams. You know, Todd screams at night sometimes. The doctors call it night terror, so I don't know. Okay then. Sleep well.
There's nothing terrifying about the night.
Now listen, if you let me go to bed, get some sleep, then we can talk tomorrow.
Won't make time for me.
If I get my sleep, I'd love to make time and then talk about the different things, like paintings. Can't wait for tomorrow. I got energy and I can really share some stuff. Okay. It's gonna be great.
You sleep.
Okay. That was nice. Please let me sleep.